Would you believe that a shy and a quiet girl had actually transformed herself into an outspoken person? Good morning, everyone. My name is Shifali Mittal. I would like to share my life journey with you all, which actually inspires me a lot in taking my life decisions and to become a better version of myself, and also how to deal with the daily challenges in life. So, the story started when I got my 12th results and was gearing up for my college years, and I actually was very excited for the college, that what college I am going to be part of and how my college journey to be started. As you all know that you were also excited at that time, that who will be your friends and how you will be coping with the college environment and all those stuff. So was I. So after entering into the college, I actually had a good time there because I made some good friends there, and we were having a good time together, and we were like hanging out together. We were having a great bond together. So we gel up very well, and we decided that we will be friends forever. But as you all know that nothing is forever. So after completed our first year, we actually had some misunderstandings that boiled up in our group, and that misunderstandings are, they are like, they, because I am an introvert person, they thought that I am not capable enough to be a part of their group. So they started having some misunderstandings about me, that I am not participative enough, and I am not involved in any such activities, and I am not even capable to do anything in life. So when I got to know that, I actually got hurt. But that was the turning point of my life, because I started my journey by back then. Because after all this stuff that had happened, I actually look at myself and just say that you can do that, because there is nothing which I can do that, because there are no one to judge me that I can do that, and I don't have the capabilities enough to do anything in life. So after all this stuff, I started I started giving my time to my academics, and also try to have a good communication with with my seniors, and also started participating in various events. My first initiative was taking a part as an anchor to an foreign Guru Purnima event. I actually did anchoring for the first time, and after that the journey goes up and up, because I started participating in various events. I started uh, gel up with the seniors. I started taking participating and volunteering in various events like blood donation camps, and also to be part of the NSS unit, also to be part of the student council unit. So my life is going very well. So after the second year, when our results came up, I stood fourth in the class, and which actually made them shocked that how can I be a fourth? How can I be at the fourth position? So, which actually made me laugh, that obviously how can they think that I can do that, because I know that I can do that. So after all these things, they actually approached me that will you be able to help us, that how can we be the person you are today, because they want me to have their good, like they want me to have a good conversation with the seniors. They want me to have a good bond with the seniors of them. So, and I believe that I don't have any grudges with them, so I actually started making them feel like they are a part of my group, and I made them feel like okay, they can be participative enough, and I actually helped them to be gel up with the seniors, and also took them to various events with me. So that was my life journey, because I thought that after all these things, they are the only ones who come up to me. So there is nothing that no, you can't do that, because there would be some time that people made you feel that you are good for nothing. But trust me, if at that time only, you just need to believe yourself, and you just need to say yourself that you can do that, because you are enough, because you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Thank you.